Welcome. If you've snoozed someone on Facebook and now want to see their posts again, you're in the right place. With the new update on Facebook, it's easy to manage who you snooze. And in this video, I'll show you how to turn off the snooze for a person's profile on PC. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your PC and log into your account. Once you're on your home page, go to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see your profile photo. Click on your profile picture to open the menu. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand a list of options. Next, click on Content Preferences. This is where you can manage everything related to your Facebook feed, including people, pages, and groups you follow or snooze. Once you're in Content Preferences, you'll see an option labeled Snooze. Go ahead and click on that. This will show you all the profiles, pages, and groups you've snoozed in the past. Now scroll through the list of profiles you've snoozed and find the person you want to stop snoozing. Next to their name, you'll see a small icon. Click on that icon to turn off the snooze. Once you click the icon, you'll start seeing that person's posts in your feed again. It's that simple. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the snooze for a person's profile on Facebook. You'll now be able to see their posts as you did before. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss any new updates. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed Facebook feed.